new winter uniforms are marching. A striking contrast to the first anniversary parade, when less... troops in their new winter uniforms are marching. A striking contrast to the first anniversary parade, when less than 7,000 soldiers were in line. For 3 hours, column after column loomed up through the fog, which earlier in the day had threatened postponement of the demonstration. For Osheloff, Commissar for War, the man responsible... loomed up through the fog, which earlier in the day had threatened to... play in its history. Today, 30,000...
A modern army is this of the Soviets, prepared tanks, heavily armed, and... Stalin salutes the mighty waters.
Soviet Russia is showing the people of Moscow the greatest military display in its history. Today, 30,000 people for the expansion of the Soviet Army watches the review.
And enables it to carry a load of 7 tons. An official car drives under its 109-foot fuselage with room to spare. It's even that of Germany's 12-motor Doix and enables it to carry a load of 7 tons. An official car, audible on the ground from over...
awaits the arrival of Joseph Stalin, Iron Man Stalin, successor to Lenin, communist chief, and dictator of 160 million Russians.